Hello, my name is Naomi from International Institute of Digital Marketing. I would like to talk a little bit about digital marketing tools that is useful for beginners in this area. So let's start from reaching to the audience. As a digital marketer, we should always focus on the email marketing along with other marketing strategies. So I have a suggestion to try the email marketing platform, for example, Klaviyo.com. This platform will help you get the most detailed and accurate email marketing KPIs and will help you get the right segmentations for your target audience. Let's move on to the content creation. Are you struggling with graphic design and content marketing? If so, I have a Canva.com. Don't worry about your digital skill. This platform is super easy to use and has great features in its free plan. Moving to the next. As a digital marketer, managing many different platforms is quite time-consuming. So I suggest you to use automation tools such as HeroPost.io to schedule your posts. This platform integrates with almost all of the social media platforms. And finally, have you ever heard about SEMrush? If no, I have some insights for you. socialmediamarketing is designed for search engine optimization by its all-in-one tool suite for improving online visibility and discovering marketing insights. By SEMrush, you can see your visibility position and track your keywords. It also offers many trending keywords which can improve your search engine optimization. And I hope you enjoyed my podcast. I'm wishing the best in your digital marketing journey.